All right, next up we are going to compare and put the rational numbers that we've been talking about in order. Anytime you're comparing numbers, we use those symbols that we've already been talking about in class: less than, greater than, or equal to. As you move to the right on the number line, so if I'm moving in this direction, the numbers always get bigger. And as you move to the left on the number line, the numbers are going to get smaller. So we're going to be using our number line to help us compare these rational numbers. Okay, let's just say if I wanted to compare 4, okay, so we could locate 4 and 1. We know that 1 is less than 4 because it's further to the left on the number line. Okay, so if you take a look here, we're going to have some rational numbers. So we're going to throw in fractions and decimals as well. Here I'm comparing 6 and 25 hundredths, which would be located about right here. Go ahead and graph that on your number line also. We're comparing that to 9 and 5 tenths, or 9 and a half. So halfway between 9 and 10 is that number. So I know that 6 and 25 hundredths is less than 9 and 5 tenths because it's further to the left on the number line. That means that 9 and 5 tenths would be greater than 6 and 25 hundredths because it's further to the right on the number line. Okay, next set we have -5 and -8. So if we graph, here's -5 and -8 is located right here. So -5 would be greater than -8 because it's further to the right on the number line. All right, next example, -2 and 8/9. So that's going to be between -2 and -3, but almost to -2. I'm going to change colors on you here. We'll go red. And -2 and 2/7 is also between -2 and -3, but it's going to be closer to -2. Okay, so we know that -2 and 8/9 is less than -2 and 2/7 because it's further to the left on the number line. Back over here. Oops, sorry about that. We can also use the number line to help us put numbers in order from least to greatest, or also from greatest to least. Okay, if we're looking at this set, we have 4 different rational numbers here. So first I would locate them on the number line. We have -5.5. That's going to fall halfway between -5 and -6. Okay, then -6 and 6/10 is going to be between -6 and -7. 3 is over here to the right of 0, and -4 is... Okay, so if we're going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest, the smallest number is that number that's furthest to the left on the number line, which in this case is -6 and 6/10. Okay, the next smallest number we had was -5.5, and then -4, and then +3 was the greatest number that we had. All right, you guys are going to flip your paper over and do the practice, then check your answers with the answer key.